Hey, it's John Muldoon from setupwp.com. I have another quick WordPress tutorial for you. If you followed along in our last video, I showed you how to go to setupwp.com, click on how to start a blog, and we showed you how to set up in-motion hosting with our special 56% discount and install WordPress on your own domain. And here we have the demo site that we're using, startablogdemo.com. You can see we've got a fresh WordPress installation, and this video is just going to take you through a couple of, I call them WordPress housekeeping tasks. And so I showed you how to log into your administrative area on the last video. You just go to your domain /wp-admin and log in. And yeah, these are just a couple of quick housekeeping tasks I do on every site that I set up. And they make, I'll explain why you want to do each one of them, but they just make the WordPress user experience a little bit easier. So the first thing I want to do is go to Settings and then Media. And I'm just going to uncheck this box right here. It says Organize my uploads into month and year-based folders. Basically, if you leave this checked, you'll have a bunch of different folders in your media library someday, and that can be good for performance reasons and for keeping track of when you uploaded images and videos and other multimedia. But I like things in one place, so I uncheck that and just hit Save Changes. Next, I'm going to go over to my permalinks. And permalinks, you can read about it, but basically, by default, your URLs for your site will be / and then p equals something like 123. So if you go to the live site and I click on this post here, you can see the post name. The post title is Hello World, but the URL is p = 1. And we would rather that be something a little bit prettier. So I'm going to go into the permalink settings and click on post name, and then scroll down and hit Save Changes. And now if we refresh this Hello World post, instead of it saying p = 1, it says Hello World. If we go to our sample page, the URL is sample-page. So this just makes it easier for your links to look pretty and for you to remember what you are, and you can provide nicer links when you send people links to your site. The last thing I'm going to do is add a new user. So I'm going to go to the users area over on the left, and you can see I've got one user already, and I'm going to click Add New. You want to give a unique username, and this cannot be changed. Then an email address. You can enter your first name, last name, and website. I recommend doing that. You can click to send this password to the user by email, and then you want to choose this, the role for your new user. And I'm going to make this user an administrator. Just to explain the difference between some of the roles, a subscriber can view the site but can't edit anything. A contributor can do a few things on the back end. An author can write posts but cannot publish them. An editor can publish things, and an administrator can do everything. So I'm just going to make a new administrator account. Click Add New User. And that's it. So we've done a little bit of WordPress housekeeping. You can go see the live site. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install a theme, and I'm going to recommend a theme framework for you, and probably install a couple of plugins, show you how to create new pages, change your menus, change your header, upload images, and all that kind of good stuff. So for more great WordPress tutorials, check out setupwp.com and browse around. All right, guys, thanks for watching.